This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Loren van Korbach. Tastefully designed Northwest Craftsman with a nice and open 2,566 square feet floor plan located in a wonderful community of other custom homes. Soaring ceilings in the foyer and a warm see-through fireplace highlight the inviting great room. Ultimate kitchen with breakfast bar, maple cabinets, stainless steel appliances, pantry, and hardwood floors. The master bed with walk-in closet, attached bath ensuite plus a spacious office are on the main floor. 2 huge bedrooms, a full bath, and the bonus room are located upstairs. It's loaded with storage throughout. The partially fenced yard is complete with a raised garden bed, garden shed, and it's located on a 10,000+ square feet lot in a great quiet Lynden neighborhood.